Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Gold Miners Junior, ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. Today we are down about 1%. The Fed did cut 25 basis points, and on the 1 hour chart, or earlier in the day, gold was heading down almost 3% in the afternoon, but an hour before the rate announcement, we begin to make a reversal and climb up higher. So if gold does close up higher from where it is today, we have a good possibility this uptrend is still intact. And on the 1 hour chart, there's a concern that the 1 hour MACD is heading negative, so we may face somewhat downward pressure at the moment. And for the 4 hour MACD, we start to see a divergence as well, and the moving averages, the 9 and 18, starting to converge or diverge into the 50-day or 50 moving average. And as for the daily chart, we are right on support. So if we do close lower than the 9-day moving average, we most likely going to encounter sideways price action, and we begin to see a divergence on the MACD as well, and we are still near overbought territory on the RSI. So the next support for this gold rally will be the 18-day moving average. So I'll mark that as support, and that is roughly at the price of $37.71. And for resistance would be dated back to, if we extend out further, will be back in, I would say, February 2017. So about 2 years back. That will be our next resistance if we were to head on higher. So if we were to move on higher due to the news of a 25 basis rate cut, that price movement is roughly 6% to the resistance. And if we were to make a reversal and head down lower to touch support, that is roughly around 3.9% or 4% lower. So let's head to the forecast model. So on here, I'll go day by day, where GDXJ will head to the next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these forecasts that we should focus on? So I'll prove to you why this trend is identical to the current trend we have here. And as you know, if the trend are similar, the outcome and forecast would also be somewhat similar as well. So we have the downtrend in the beginning right here, and then we touch the upper Bollinger Band several times, one right here, and preceding that we have once more over here and another here as well, and sideways price action right here. So we have those points, and then we start to see similar patterns in the trend in question. This trend dates back to July 5th, 2012 to September 28th, 2012. Yeah. So we have these instances where it touches the upper Bollinger Band, and towards the end we see sideways price action right there. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points as well. So there's reason to believe if the trends and patterns are the same, the outcome and forecast would also be the same. So let's head to the forecast model once more. So if we look at July 5th, 2012 to September 28th, 2012, back then GDXJ or gold miners was down roughly around 3.6 or 3.7%. So fairly close to where the 18-day moving average coincides. So again, I do see us heading in sideways price action and hitting that support. I don't see gold making a complete reversal. So we do see sideways price action in the coming days. So here's the trend line, overlapping it and the current trend, and right there is the 2012 trend line. So that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.